what's up? It's me, EDIZA from healthygirlfashion.com. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from fashionmaids.com. If you've never heard of Fashion Maids, don't worry. I didn't either because they just started about a couple weeks ago. So this is a brand new company with an awesome concept. I don't know if you've ever heard of like getting a mystery box, but basically they send you 10 items. And the box, the value of all the stuff that's inside is about $500. And the box itself has 10 items that are all new with tags. I know, it sounds like a dream, right? They actually have two different kinds of boxes. I mean, it's the same box, but there's two different pricing points. One pricing point is a subscription. So every month they charge you $60 a box. And then the other one is a one-time purchase of $80. So it just depends on, like, if you're a reseller, you know, at 10 items, it's either $6 an item or $8 an item, essentially. But they have a variety of stuff. What's really great about this box, even though it's a mystery box, it's kind of curated to what your preference is. So when you actually sign up, they give you a questionnaire, they ask you what you want, what kind of sizes you want, prints, patterns, everything that you kind of want in a box. And basically they send you this, and then you open it up, and then you just resell everything that's on here. So I'm gonna open up my box, and I feel like it would be good to do with you guys so you guys can see what would be in the box. Now also, after this unboxing, I'm gonna be telling you details about a giveaway that I'm doing after this, so stay tuned. So anyway, let's get started. Let's unbox this sucker. Now what I did was I actually asked for like romantic and boho, I think. And then I think the sizes I got were, like I asked for, was like medium and large. So they do it based on availability of sizes and you know, what it is, what they have available. Now, just so you know, they actually work with different companies where they buy up all of their unsold inventory. So instead of it going to landfills, they actually just take everything and then make boxes for people. So that's how they get their stuff. All right, here we go. Look at this, a little handwritten note. It says, looking good. All right. Ooh. So I already see something I like. This looks very romantic. It's called Blush Noir. It's like size large. This is actually really cute. I want to do it so you guys can see the stuff that's in here as I take it out. So this is a dress. This is actually very cute. It's got lace. That's really pretty. And see, look, the tags are all still on here. So yes. So boutiques, department stores, and different brands is what you're going to get a mix of. I mean, it has to vary, so you're not going to get like just all, you know. Ooh, Velvet by Graham & Spencer. This is really nice. Look at this. This little peasant top. That's really cool. All right. And then, here we go. Diane von Furstenberg. Girl. Okay, so this is lace. I really like this box already. Here we go. Oh, there we go. It's like a cute top. You got the tag on here. There we go. Let's see. This one is Very J. This is kind of like a linen plaid shirt. Very nice. I like that one. Okay. Ooh, what's this little number? Okay, so this is Story. Okay. So as you can see, the prices, they'll still have like the prices on here. And then this was retailed originally at $49. So here you go. Look at that. So it looks like these are primarily stuff from like Nordstrom's or Nordstrom's Rack. This is Topshop. Yeah, so this is, looks like I got like a nice little Nordstrom box. Actually, I might want to keep this one. Look how cute this is. It's got floor. Is this a shirt or a dress? I don't know. Oh, they're shorts. Even better. They'll wear to Coachella. Coachella! Okay, look at this. This is actually really nice. It's a nice little cardigan. Karen Scott, size medium. Oh, I think I could actually fit into this. What do you guys think? This is really nice. Okay, ooh, a couple more. So Mighty Fine, size large. This is a nice cool top. Yes. Okay. Mighty Fine, Catherine Malandrino. Nice top here. So I think I got a really, really good box in this one. This one's Michael Kors, guys. Look, I didn't even have to freaking shop at a thrift store for this. I just ended up getting, look, this retails for $89.50. So look at that. All right, so that's the box. Box is empty now. This isn't bad. I actually really, really like this box. I'm really excited about it. So what's great about this, there's two things that I like about it mainly. I mean, there's a lot to like about it, obviously, because this box is like damn cool. But first thing I really like is that it's a time saver. So for those of you that are like super, super busy and have a busy life going on, who doesn't have a busy life, but if you really don't have time to shop or like get away to go and like thrift and dig for this stuff, this is actually really helpful, and it really cuts a lot of time. And if you're only paying $60 a month to get a box of 10 items, like really, really nice items that you could resell, and you know, they are what, $6 an item, and that you're reselling, it makes it a lot easier, especially if you are you know, spending a lot of time thrifting. And it's only 60 bucks, so I can easily spend like $200 at a thrift store and spending 12 hours of my day and digging and digging in. So I mean, it's up to you, whatever you feel like, but like this just makes it a little bit more convenient for me. And they're really, really nice picks, so I can't knock them, because it's like I got a really good box. Second thing that I really like about it is that it really kind of elevates your closet and your inventory. I mean, getting a bunch of stuff that's new at tags, it kind of helps with sales overall. I think that people tend to search for more items that are new with tags than for items that are used. I'm not saying that it's bad to get something used, but like if you're gonna have a shirt like a Michael Kors shirt and it's new with tags, then your pricing point can stay at that, like whatever's on the tag, as opposed to getting something that's used and then you have to kind of, one, research what the price was, and then two, you know, gauge your pricing point based on, you know, how the wear is, or you know, what, you know, condition it's in. So this actually really helps, I feel, elevate like your sales overall. So those are the two main points. I have some awesome news, because we're going to talk about a giveaway. The giveaway is I have an extra box that I got here, and I'm going to be raffling that off at the Posh and Sip February 22nd, and I'm hosting that with Ms. Fabulosity, and we're going to be doing that at Deja Nu in Irvine. All the details are going to be down below in the Eventbrite link that I'm posting in the description box. And so I really hope that you guys can make it. If you're there, it's going to be raffled off. It's free to anybody who is there. So please make it if you can. But if you can't make it, don't worry. I got you, boo-boo. I've got 5 free boxes to give away. This is in celebration of me hitting 10,000 followers on Instagram. I'm super, super, super excited because I've been working super hard on my Instagram. So this is my 10K giveaway that I want to give away to 5 lucky winners. And so all you have to do is actually go to the link down below. It is going to be the link for the actual listing, like not the listing, but the actual post that I put on Instagram that has all of the details of how to enter and how to win and all this other stuff. So I've teamed up with fashionmates.com, and we will be announcing the winners 2 weeks from now, which means it's going to be on March 1st. I hope I did my math right. March 1st is going to be the day that we announce the 5 lucky winners. So make sure to go check that out. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on, you know, whatever, all these other social channels if you want. But I'm really excited to be back, guys. I've taken a little break, a little hiatus, because I had a baby. God. But I've been doing a lot of shopping as of recently, and I've noticed that I actually shopped from people that actually left comments. I know this sounds like so much like hey, leave comments down below, but really leave your Posh Closet name, leave your link. It's really important to add the link of your closet so somebody can like copy and paste it, and then put down what brands you have in your closet, because I feel like people make a lot more sales if they're advertising their closet, and if people know what they're getting into. They're not just like copying and pasting a bunch of links. So put what brands you have in your closet, put your closet name, I don't know if you want to leave a comment on this particular video if you have anything to say about it. But yeah, all right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I am so excited to be back. I have more videos for you guys, and I can't wait to do them and share them. And yeah, okay, I'm done. Bye guys. Stay healthy. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.